Hey everyone, my name is Benjamin Lamb, and this is my video introduction presentation for MBA 615 Leadership. So a little bit about myself. I'm from Lake City, South Carolina. I graduated from the Carolina Academy, which is a high school in Lake City. While I was in high school, I was able to do dual credit classes through Florence Darlington Technical College. I completed my undergraduate work at Francis Marion University. I recently graduated just in December of 2020. While I was at Francis Marion, I got my degree in healthcare administration. And as I did my major, I was also able to take enough minor classes to have Spanish minor. A little bit of professional background. I was able to do two internships through McLeod Health and MUSC Lake City. I was able to intern with McLeod Physician Associates for 2 summers. While I was with them, I worked with many directors and AVPs and got to see kind of the larger scale of the healthcare administration side. And then the next summer, I was able to work with MUSC Lake City with the practice manager there, and I kind of got to see both sides of it: the larger scale with AVPs and directors, and also the smaller scale with the practice manager at Lake City. Future career aspirations: after I graduate from Coastal Carolina with my MBA, I plan on working in some kind of healthcare setting as an administrator, whether that's a director role or a smaller role in some kind of practice or setting like that. So, leadership in the 21st century for me, I think a leader has to be accountable and respectful. I think they have to have the ability to communicate and willing to adapt to change. You know how crazy it can be now. You have to be willing to adapt as you go along. Effective leadership to me is somebody who's able to influence others toward a common goal and willing to lead by example. I thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to working with you throughout this semester.